Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. You wanna meet her. Quickie meals you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, it's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making spaghetti Alfredo bake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are olive oil, adobo all-purpose seasoning, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose flour, pasta sauce, spaghetti, heavy whipping cream, butter, ground beef, onion, garlic cloves, green bell pepper, mozzarella cheese, and also parmesan cheese. The ingredients for our meat sauce is 24 ounces of your favorite pasta, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 of a green bell pepper diced, 1/2 of an onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon of butter. For our Alfredo sauce, we're going to need 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. And we're going to use salt and pepper to taste. For our topping, it's going to be 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 tablespoon of dried parsley flakes. The first thing we're going to do is put a pot of water on to boil, and if you want, you can add some salt to it. Now I'm going to begin to add my spaghetti in. Remember, you're adding 16 ounces, which is the whole box, and you're going to cook it according to the instructions on the box, which is approximately 9 to 10 minutes. Now to a saucepan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion and green bell pepper, and we're going to saute it for 4 minutes. I have it on medium heat. After 4 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic, and you want to saute that for 1 minute. Now we're going to begin to add in our ground beef. Just want to go ahead and break the beef down and make sure everything is well combined. Now you want to go ahead and season your ground beef, and you can season it the way that you like it. I'm putting in ground black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and just a little bit of the adobo all-purpose seasoning. And you just want to mix it and cook it until everything is well combined and all your ground beef is brown. Once your spaghetti is done cooking, you want to drain it of all water and set it to the side. Once your ground beef is done, you want to remove it from your saucepan, and you want to drain it of all excess grease. Once you have drained your ground beef, return it back to your pan. Now we're going to add in our pasta sauce. To the sauce, I'm going to add about 1/4 of water from the can to our sauce. Then our garlic powder, onion powder, our adobo all-purpose seasoning, our ground black pepper, our Italian seasoning, and the tablespoon of butter. And we're going to mix it on medium heat until it's all well combined. To my sauce, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. This is optional, you don't have to add it. We're just going to mix until well combined. Then we're going to transfer our sauce to a bowl and set it to the side. Now for our Alfredo sauce, I'm going to add a stick of butter to the saucepan, and we're going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle in our all-purpose flour. And you want to whisk that together for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you want to go ahead and add your 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that together also. Now you can add in your garlic powder and some black pepper. You want to go ahead and whisk that. Then we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese. We're going to whisk that together until it all melts. Once it's all melted, turn off your heat. Now you guys can go ahead and taste it. If you need to adjust any seasoning, this is the time to do it. Okay, now the pot with your spaghetti in it, you want to just go ahead and pour your Alfredo sauce over top of your spaghetti. Once you have all your Alfredo sauce in the pot with your spaghetti, all you want to do is toss it until all the spaghetti is coated in the sauce. Once you're done, you want to get a 9x13 baking dish. You want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're going to begin to add our spaghetti in. Next, I'm going to begin to spoon the meat sauce on top. You want to make sure it's nice and even. Next, I'm going to add my shredded mozzarella cheese to the top. Now it's time to add our Parmesan cheese, which we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle over top so it's nice and even. Now it's ready to go into our oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And you're going to let it cook until the top is nice and melted. Okay, so now our spaghetti Alfredo bake is now out of the oven. So we're just going to sprinkle some of the dried parsley on top for some color. We're going to go ahead and let it cool off for around 5 minutes. Okay guys, so here we have it, our spaghetti Alfredo bake. I cut into this. This tastes so good. The flavors are amazing. You can also add some garlic bread to the side. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.